In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your bio history on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to open up Instagram app. After that, tap right here to go to your profile. Then tap at these three lines here. And after that, select your activity. Now guys, here we need to scroll down and tap at account history right here. That's where we can easily find all our account history. We can filter this data by bio history if we hit right here at update type and then select bio and then hit apply. That's where we can easily check our bio history on Instagram. This data is sorted from recent to oldest, and that's how we can easily upload older data simply by scrolling down. And guys, unfortunately from here we cannot delete this history or, for example, edit any of this data or even set the bio we had before by clicking on it, because if we click at any of these items we'll be taken to edit profile section where we can change all this data including bio. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.